Wanna know the Gothic letter that partied way too much in medieval times? Meet N, the overachiever that shows up twice as often as its fancy cousins. Watch me flirt with disaster. First stroke down, easy. Then bam, a diagonal that's basically a Tata slide at 60 degrees. Final stroke, copy paste the first. Like that one outfit you rewear constantly. Back in the old days, scribes loved them because it was the ultimate wingman. It squeezed into tight spaces so words like night didn't bust the parchment budget. Secret hack: pretend your nib is cardboard. Tilt it sideways for the diagonal, push, then snap back upright. Instant medieval coupons. Your turn. Tag your ugliest N with medieval fails for a chance to win my eternal admiration and maybe a free pen. Fact: without N, we all be saying O instead of no, and that's just awkward.